Hi guys, it's part 2. Nearly first place. I've been so hyped. I've been wanted to get it. Come on. Now I'm probably gonna get enough honey to get enough capacity for my life. I think I'll get like 890k capacity. It's like ridiculous. The Jumbo Dream Pack should be out, not in the game anymore. It's quite annoying actually. Woo! Finally, I kind of got tickets. But... Okay, let's unlock this, baby. Let's unlock this. Oh, I'm so bad. I'm getting up. I kind of need that. Do not need that speed, please. Okay, let's buy it, boys. Let's buy it. Come on. Purchase. Purchase. Look how much capacity I have now. Huh. Holy. 12.5 million, that's it, okay. The face mask. 1.5, oh gosh, 1.25 capacity. Holy. Finally, I've got it. 907,000 capacity. I really want to get like 1 million capacity once the Jumbo Dream Pack's done. Dun dun. Okay. Oh, I just suddenly realised that I need to get a new quest from Backbed because I just did one. I'm happy. I got 900k. This one. Oh yes, that's perfect. I finally do that. I've also got a code. If you're on Dandelion Quest, doing the quest in Dandelion Field, just use the code WINK, and you're gonna get a look, all of it is gotta be. It's like this. This is the WINK, like that. The WINK like that. Yep, and you'll get it, and you'll get a boost on the field. On Dandelion Field. It's really OP actually. Holy! This is gonna take like 10 hours to do. I'm not even kidding. Oh god. Just saw him being just was AFK for a second and he just left the game. Oh, someone's got staff. That really OP stuff. Kinda hyped. I finally got like a ton of capacity. This guy's got the stuff. Oh, this guy's OP. Okay, now I'm going to go to the mountain top. The reason why I can't use the code WINK because I've already used it. Also, if you want to get really good at Beast One Simulator, just go to Funny and do the Ant Pass challenge, and you get a ton of stuff. Wait, is that a streamer? Is that a streamer? OMG Gamers. The OMG people. There's people. The OMG. Those guys are OP. They play it a ton. Ooh, this guy's grind. This guy's a legit grind. If you're a PC player, you have to use the G tab whatever you do, and you're gonna go like a tiger. Once I've done yeah, honestly guys, I'm gonna end it, guys. I'm gonna end it here. But I just wanted to show you guys the shop. The super expensive shop if no one's there yet. It's like, I want to get this. This is really OP. That's the thing. Gonna get like 1 million capacity. But it costs 12.4 million. You gotta be kidding me. This thing, oh my god, the Porkling Dipper. I can't even describe how much that cost. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Bye. Bye guys. I'm actually gonna end it. Bye.